Welcome to another video on Logan Speed Shop. On this video I was meant to be wiring up a Supra. Unfortunately I have ruined the first half of the footage, so I'm going to put in a couple of clips now of how the wiring was and then just jump into the good stuff of what I've done and finishing the job off, just to show you the car and show you what I can do. It's time. The loom's pretty much all done. Missing one plug just for the temp sensor for the computer. Just waiting for it to come in. It's the only one I didn't have in stock. But yeah, everything is there. All the injector plugs. Everything has got little numbers if you can see it. I don't actually like to use labels unless I have to. If there's two plugs next to each other I will. But otherwise I find it looks a bit messy. But we're going to chuck her in. Made up this little plate. Deletes the factory grommet thing, and I've cut a slit in the side of the boot, which I don't actually have on me, just because there's going to be a couple of things running through those holes and it was going to be too hard to put through as I was making it. So yeah, let's get this loom in, up, out and back into the car. And just like that, the engine loom's in. See the grommets on there now. Still got to run a few more things. You can see there's a little slit there. We'll rotate that to the right point when it's in. Still got to do a bit of cable management. As you can see, it's all draped. Stepper motor plug when he decides if he wants to put an idle control on it. Otherwise everything is up and routed. Only one of the alrighty. Alrighty, so you can see it's all in there now. Got the boot on all round, got an idle control plug, even though he doesn't have idle control yet, just in case he wants to chuck it in later. Still got to do a lot of cable management, but yeah, first step done. Well, third step probably done. She's in the car, all good to go. Over here, just got that one plug waiting on down there. These two wires just chilling. But yeah, that's the only wire that's going to cross over the top, so you can't see anything. Actually came out looking really nice. Now just got to organise, maintain, sort it all out. It's that time. Everything's where it needs to be. Couple of cable ties still, just to get everything finally situated. But yeah, it's good. Got that plate over the back there. Got everything run. Can't see too many cables. All the injectors, everything's plugged in. Coils plugged in. Let's see if she actually. Let's plug into the laptop before I go cranking it. Let me get that set up. Alright, we got live. Laptop's in, reading everything. I've updated the tune to all the sensors and how it is now. Let's see if it starts. Looks like it needs the idle wound up a little wee bit, so we'll do that as it's got no idle control at the moment. Just wind it up. Not sure how this car was with cold start before, but that wasn't too bad then.